Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make an eco-friendly and low-budget toothpaste and deodorant. It's so fun and easy to make that you will never want to go back to buying typical care products from the shops with harmful chemicals and wasteful packaging. So we'll start with the toothpaste, and what we need for that is coconut oil, baking soda, salt, optionally a couple of drops of peppermint essential oil, and then to make it a mixing bowl, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, and a container. Okay, so what we are going to do is take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, still a little bit hard, but that's fine. Another one. Voila. And we'll take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And 2. And we're gonna mix this. Depending on how hard your coconut oil is, this can take a bit. You need to get a smooth structure. So once it's mixed well, we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt, like this. This toothpaste is quite salty, and you're probably not used to that, but salt actually has antibacterial and disinfectant properties, so it's perfect for toothpaste. So we'll mix this very well too. I'm gonna use the small spoon now. It's gonna be easier. Make sure the salt is all mixed in. Like this. And then we can choose to add some essential oil, peppermint essential oil drops. This is about $10 in the supermarkets. It's a bit more expensive, but you only use a few drops each time, so a small bottle like this can last you for a year. You can add about 3 to 5 drops. I'm gonna add 5 because I really like the taste of peppermint in my toothpaste. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And we'll mix it again very well. Sometimes I also add aloe vera gel to this toothpaste because it softens the structure a little bit, but it's a bit hard to find around here, and it's optional. It's not necessary to put it in. So once this is mixed very well, we can put it in our little container. I'll show it. I always use the 2 spoons, it's a bit easier. Take a bit. This, put it in. everything. and that's it. That is how you make your own toothpaste. You basically just take a little teaspoon, you take a little bit, put it on your toothpaste, and yeah, that's it. It is best to store it room temperature because coconut oil really gets hard when it's cold. But anyway, it's not really that bad when it gets hard. You can wait till it gets soft, or you can use it anyway. It's just a little bit more difficult. Now I'm going to show you how to make a natural and easy to make deodorant. What we need for that is baking soda, cornstarch, coconut oil, and optionally some drops of lavender essential oil. We'll also use a mixing bowl and a tablespoon. As you can see, the baking soda is back and also the coconut oil. These are ingredients you'll use a lot in homemade care products. And for the cornstarch the same, they're all easy to find and most of them even probably have at home already. So we're going to take again a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of baking soda. And we're going to mix this very well. Make sure to mix it very well, and once it's smoothish structure, you can leave it like this, or you can choose to add some essential oils. I'll add some lavender essential oil, but you can basically add any smell you prefer. It can be citrus or pine or anything else, it's up to you. So I'm gonna add about 5 drops of lavender. Voila, 5 drops. I'm gonna mix it again. And after this, we're gonna put it in a container. So I think it's good now. It's a bit of a rougher structure than the toothpaste, but it's gonna feel real nice under your armpits. So even though it's a natural deodorant, you always have to keep an eye on how your skin reacts to it, because we used baking soda to absorb moisture and kill bacteria, but if you use it too much, it can dry out your skin and cause irritation. So you don't have to use it too much. So that's it. That's how you make natural toothpaste and deodorant.